ton of stuff. B is Mustang! Oh my gosh! Crowd killer! What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DB Garage. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how to sell your car for as much cash as possible. First step, get the car as clean as possible. We got to run to the car wash. I'll see you at the car wash. Now that the car is clean, we're actually polishing the wheels because they look really good polished. Another tip is to vacuum the inside of the car to make it look as good as possible on the pictures. Okay, so step two. Step two is one of the bigger parts. It's to take pictures of the car. You want really good pictures, so that's why we cleaned it up. That's why we spent a couple hours cleaning it. Another tip is to clean the engine bay. You're gonna wanna get pictures of that. So for angles and stuff like that, pretty much just park it in the middle of your driveway if you can. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get an angle from here, here, and then here, and then right there, and then the same for the other side, and obviously right here, and then right there. And for filters, just use whatever preset filters you have in your iPhone. Those always work good. Alright guys, pictures are done. They turned out great. I slapped an iPhone preset filter on them. They look amazing. Now for the description. The description is where you're going to get a lot of people interested compared to other sellers. What you're going to do is start about summarizing the car, talk about the MPG it gets, how nice it's been to you, the maintenance, the status of the title, all that stuff. After that, you're going to go straight to the pros of the car, like what it has compared to other cars, why they're going to want it compared to other cars. Try to be as honest as possible while still making the car seem like a great deal to them. A lot of people like honesty. They don't like you when they show up and you've lied about a ton of stuff. Be as Mustang! Oh my gosh! Crowd killer! Yeah, be as honest as possible as you can. A lot of people don't like when you show up and that you lied about a lot of stuff. Turns them away instantly. Don't lie about it. You don't need the car to seem like a bad deal, make it seem like a good deal, but be honest. Also, you're going to want to post on Facebook and Craigslist. I figured out that Let Go and OfferUp don't work as good, usually Facebook and Craigslist. You don't need to post in any groups or anything. Marketplace will get a lot of views for you. Typically, when people respond, try to respond as fast as you can. Try to talk on the phone, just like negotiating with people. You should be able to talk them up to coming out and checking the car. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully if you're selling a car, you'll make a lot of money off of it. I love you all. Have a great day. See you in the next